Welcome back to another video. So in this video, I would like to talk about another thing also related to logging for the purpose of debugging. And this time I want to talk about the logging module. So let's just import logging like that, right? And let's look at what it says. So it's the logging package for Python. Simply import logging and log away. So I won't go into too much details about this, but I'll just show kind of what it does, right? So what you could do with this is that, for example, you could set the level of logging, right? The logging level. So the severity level, basically, is it a soft warning, or is it like something really critical? So you can kind of say, specify the actual severity of the exception, for example. You could also do something called, or you could use the file name. So you could actually output or save something or write something to a file, right? And yeah, you could do a bunch of things using the logging module. So let's just try to use this as simply as possible, right? So let's just say logging.info, right? Or just say logging dots. And now we see we get quite a lot of different things that that is provided for this API, so to say. So if I just run in .info, what happens? I just want to, many of these videos are actually not prepared beforehand, so I just try to do stuff. Okay, so of course I need to provide some things, right? I need to say, for example, I need to say hello, this is some info, right? Let's see if I need to specify anything else. Not sure. No. And actually nothing happened. That was interesting. But I think that basically what you would do is that you would kind of say, okay, I will start logging. I think that when you want to run this, you actually want to say, maybe I should open up the actual, yes, and I'll say, oh no, actually I won't run that. So I'll say, I'll try to run something, right? I'll say, what happens if I say .err? What happens? I really want to see that. Yeah. So then we see something. It's interesting that we don't see anything when we run the info. I'm not sure why, but it's good to know that, for example, here we get some special message, and you could do a bunch of other things. So I won't go into too much details. You could, for example, format strings, and you can kind of format error messages that you log in different ways and so on. And I will not go into too many details about this module. I haven't used it that much, I have to be honest, but it's good to know that it exists. So if you have anything special you want to do with logging, make sure to check out the logging module. That's all I want to say. Thanks for watching.